Tell you what, people, it's a lot harder than it looks. Let me tell you. But you know what I call this? I call this superior effort to success. Even if you do things you don't like to do, I promise you will inspire yourself to be a master. Master at everything you do. Not even kidding. And put your heart into it, no matter what it is. Whether it be do-it-yourself projects like this, regular, everyday stuff that people need done, period. If you actually get on the YouTube page and you are someone to do it yourself, you can do anything. I promise. Because that's what we do. I call it effort to success. How bad you want success? You have to apply effort. Without effort, there's no success. And you can ask me, I'll tell you, I might be a little bit old looking, which I am, I'm not gonna lie. I'm old, getting older as we speak. Every day is a blessing. But at the same time, there's days when you're down and out, you're kind of depressed, don't feel good. Maybe you just have no drive. And that's not just you, it's everybody. It's life. But if you don't push yourself and you just stay on that recliner, let me tell you, that's not good either. I had a dear friend of mine die. And let me tell you, I was really close to trying to her heart and trying to be the savior in her heart. Take her to all her cancer appointments, everything. And I tell you what, she did it for like 3-4 years straight. God bless her soul. Rest in peace for her. But let me tell you, I still haven't been able to stand up quite straight, as you may say. So, all I'm saying is, there's ups and downs in life. And sometimes you gotta be careful of the ups and downs because it can actually put you so down that you can't get back up. I have friends and people like that. Not even kidding. Regular acquaintances and whatever. They just gave up. And they tell you, people dropping like flies. Cancer's a bad one. I mean, it's like in everybody's genes, I do believe. And cancer literally, it's like one of the top causes of death is cancer. And I tell you, it's horrible. And it's like everything we eat. If you read on there, the dyes, the ingredients, I mean, I'm not even kidding. and if I thought about all that, I don't know that there's anything good, no, not even kidding, anything good to eat. If you can tell me what you recommend's the best thing to eat that's healthy, other than homegrown, without any real chemicals, I don't know what to say, because cancer's gonna jump in. It's almost a given. For the people that never got it, God bless them. Keep on keeping on. Test the stress and keep going. Life. As we keep on doing this. Let me get this paint going on. Got it going on. Got one more wall right here, and then the back side of this wall. That's all cut in 3 times. Yeah. And it's just me doing all this too. Anybody can do it. How bad you want to do it?